Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit your profile on Substack. Whether you're looking to update your profile picture, add social media links, or customize what appears publicly on your profile, this guide will walk you through every option available in your Substack profile settings. First, open your web browser and navigate to substack.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Substack dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your publications and profile. After you've logged in, look over to the left side of your screen. Here you'll find a navigation menu with several options. Click on Profile. This section is your hub for managing how you appear to other Substack users and readers across the platform. Now you'll see your current profile displayed. To make any changes, click on Edit Profile. This button opens up all the customization options available to you, allowing you to personalize your Substack presence. Let's start by changing your profile picture. You'll notice a pencil icon overlaying your current profile picture. Click on this pencil icon and a window will appear, allowing you to upload a new image. Select the picture you want to use from your device, and once it's uploaded, click Done. Your new profile picture will now be visible to anyone who visits your profile. Beyond your profile picture, you have several other elements you can customize. You can change your display name to how you want to be known on the platform. You can also modify your handle, which is the unique username that appears in your Substack URL. Additionally, you can add or update your bio to tell readers more about yourself and what you write about. There's also a theme option where you can adjust the visual styling of your profile. Now let's move on to adding social links, which helps readers connect with you on other platforms. Look for the social links section and input the URL for any social media profile you want to display. For example, if you want to add your YouTube channel, simply paste the link in the appropriate field. Once you've added your links, click Save to ensure your changes are recorded. Next, scroll down to the section labeled Rights. Here you'll find a toggle that says Control which of your Substacks appear on your profile. This feature is particularly useful if you manage multiple Substack publications and want to choose which ones are showcased on your public profile. Simply toggle this option on or off depending on your preference. Just below that, you'll see the Subscription Privacy section. This toggle controls which subscriptions should appear on your profile. If you prefer to keep your reading habits private, you can adjust this setting to hide which newsletters you're subscribed to. Finally, let's look at the Activity Privacy section. This area gives you control over which types of activity appear on your profile and other discovery surfaces across Substack. You can turn on or off your likes, which shows what posts you've appreciated. You can also toggle the subscriber badge, which displays whether you're a paid subscriber to various publications. Adjusting these settings helps you manage your visibility and privacy on the platform. And that's everything you need to know about editing your Substack profile. You've now customized your profile picture, personal information, social links, and privacy settings to match exactly how you want to present yourself on the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.